Hi, this is Ed Sullivan and Mark Oberti talking about executive issues in the employment law context. Mark, employees and executives have fiduciary duties, or some employees and almost all executives have fiduciary duties and other duties to the company. Could you explain a little bit about what are the big ones and how executives can make sure they navigate the minefield of them?
Sure, Ed. Executives have fiduciary duties of loyalty, candor, and truthfulness. And all employees, and essentially, especially executives, for example, cannot steal the company's confidential information, cannot recruit employees of the company before they've left, cannot try to solicit customers of the company before they've left the company. So those are kind of the key fiduciary duties. And really, an executive, if you're thinking about leaving your present employer and going either out on your own or to a competitor or another company, you're really well served to meet with a highly qualified, board-certified labor and employment lawyer and come up with a plan to do that in an honest, transparent, ethical fashion that maximizes their ability to move forward in a positive fashion, because you can plan on creating a new business and what you're going to do next. You just can't effectuate it yet. And to leave the company in a way that minimizes and mitigates the risk that that company will come after you with some sort of litigation after you leave the company. And I find, just on a very 20,000 foot level, the executives that leave the company in a way that suggests that they were not ethical, even if it's just an appearance of impropriety, versus the executives that do it all the right way, honesty, integrity, willingness to help and stay and make transitional help, the difference in the number of lawsuits brought against them is extremely large. So you're well served as an executive to meet with a qualified board-certified labor and employment lawyer and chart your course so you don't end up hitting a big iceberg.